Hey friends, Stacey Paulson here. So it's mid-July, which means my cart flips from pool noodles to back to school prep in a snap. Last summer vacation, germs wrecked a whole week of family fun. So never again, I created a 3-step On Guard routine that actually helped our 6 kids and me to cruise through fall with far fewer sick days. And if you're not aware, On Guard is doTERRA's #1 selling essential oil blend. Flash sale alert, July 21st through the 25th. So on every On Guard staple, it's 10 to 30% off with a limit of 5. So oil, beadlets, cleaner, detergent, all discounted on top of the 25% wholesale price. My cart screenshot shows that I saved over $40. If you're catching this after July 25th, go ahead and skip ahead. There's still a wholesale link waiting for you. Step 1, morning defense. So while breakfast is cooking, diffuse 4 to 6 drops of On Guard oil in the kitchen to cleanse the air, purify it, and to prevent any of those bad guys from spreading. You can pop in 2 On Guard beadlets for each kid, which equals fresh breath plus immune support. Step 2, clean surfaces without killing your lungs. So just a cap of On Guard cleaning concentrate into a spray bottle, and you can wipe down those lunch boxes, desks, steering wheel, countertops, you name it. 0 harsh chemicals, smells like fall. Step 3, on the go shield. So pop the throat drops in the backpack. Keep the tiny sanitizing gel or mist in carpool cup holder, your purse, backpack, foaming hand wash by every sink. Simple habits are better than frantic sick days. And these also make great teacher gift ideas as well. Bonus, dorm room defense for college kids and grandkids. So tuck a 15 milliliter On Guard oil plus a tiny USB diffuser in their dorm room or their apartment. It'll create an instant mom's kitchen aroma and everyday protection. You can clip the sanitizing mist to their backpack strap, 1 spritz before study group, cafeteria trays, or that mystery library keyboard, and a bonus boost. So feeling something coming on, adults take 1 to 2 of the On Guard soft gels up to 3 times a day for targeted immune support. Teens can start with 1 soft gel, and then those little ones, go ahead and stick with just an extra beadlet or 2. Ready to stock up? Click the link below. It's labeled Back to School Cart. If you don't already have wholesale access yet, type wholesale in the comments and I will message you a private cart that saves you 25% all year plus the sale discount this week. And need help choosing? Drop your family size in the comments and I'll recommend the perfect bundle within an hour. Hit like if your kids brought home something more than just homework last year, and share this with the mom who's always got tissues in her purse. I'll be live on Friday with a quick Q&A before the sale ends. Subscribe so that you don't miss it. Here's to a healthy, happy school year. See you soon.